And your mother. And she done sacrifice her life for you.
Okay, but nobody asked her to do that. It was her job to do what she had to do. So why you keep on tell me this? Listen, me can't do this to you. Come in a piece and nothing there now. Nothing there. A sympathy, you look and attention.
I go down to her workplace and I go talk to her because me out of all person would understand and know because I'm me when I left her with.
She's a complete stranger to me. I don't know this woman.
You stay as my daughter. Vanessa, me can't believe you so you treat me. If me never sick, me couldn't go down there. I sick, me sick.
Not a thing with you. It's like a punisher try to punish me. The whole of my life you punish me.
You know the Bible says, honor thy mother and thy father.
Whoa, so my feelings are valid.
Why you deal with me so?
Because you left and you go Kingston and you come back now that I'm an adult and you just drive me crazy.
If your mother did, you know, me know say you would have feel bad, you know. You're not gonna miss her until she got, you know. Boy, at least this would have given her a chance to ban.
My brother Wayne never contact to you. You would remember say I have one mother here, so
honestly, no. That's the truth. No. Read the sign. There's a sign. Read it.
I'm a daughter. I love her very much. But the way she dey talk to me, because she get big now and have big mansion.
She barely have running water. She don't have a kitchen. She don't have a proper toilet.
Records say that you have actually hypertension. Do you know what that is? Okay, so that means your blood pressure is very high.
Me don't understand why you take up yourself going on the people in doctor office without money. You don't know, so the hospital is there and it's free. Get up. Come out I say to you. The time we take expert towel in there, could have gone in bed go lie down. You don't understand what I mean, but I don't want to lie down and I say to you none at all. No lie down in there. You made the decision where you met and it was not the best one. You leave me with my uncle from I was what, 10 years old?
You see the 9 months when me carry there, so I said me hold up my hand to God.